No, no, you write down the question continuously, no harm. First I will explain. Second one, wait, no. If a is equal to minus 3, if a is equal to minus 3, a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 2, a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 2, then find the value of, then find the value of, find the value of, find the value of a cube minus b square, a cube minus b square, a plus these values are given, my dear. These values are given. 2ab plus 7. For example, if God gives you something, you will take it, no? You will not ask the counter question, why are giving me? The same thing. These values are given, values of ABC are given, then using these values I have to prove this part. Is it clear? Using these values I have to prove this part. So, start solving. Second question is completed. Now 2 minutes I am giving you to solve. After 2 minutes I will start discussing 1 and 2. My dear, you are always writing the question. Don't go for writing the question. I am very much interested in getting the answer. Because same thing we have done in the class, I had already explained. Chalo, do it. It is very much clear. 7a yes. Which one? Ah, 7 1, not 7 1, 7 into 1. It will be 7 into 1, my dear. 7a means 7 into a, no? Who is that? Huh? Atharva Karnik. Yesterday also you were doing that way only. Who is that? Acha, who is that? Chalo, solve Atharva. Sorry, you are not there. Okay. My dear, board is clear. You are not able to solve, so it comes. It is coming third. Huh? Start solving. Second answer we will discuss afterwards. First you focus on first one. Hello, let me discuss first one. Everybody will pay attention. How we will solve first? How we will solve first one? Let us solve first one. See, we are given A is 1, B is minus 2, and C is minus 1, correct? No, you have to write it, no? Show that 7A plus B plus C is equal to 2ABC. Now this is my left hand side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. We want to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. You want to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you find the value of, wait. Huh. So let us consider left hand side. Let us, huh. Wait, no, we'll see. We'll see whether they are equal or not equal. So let us find the value of left hand side. Then we find the value of right hand side. If they are equal, then it is okay. So left hand side is 7a plus b plus c. Let us find the value. 7a means 7 into a plus b plus c. Now put the value of ABC. A is 1, so 7 into 1 plus b minus 2 plus c is minus 1. C is minus 1. I have written no, C is minus 1. I have written that in the bracket. Is it clear? So now let us find. Wait no my dear. 7 into 1 is 7. Okay. Plus into minus minus 2. Plus into minus 1. So 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So my left hand side value is 4. My left hand side value 7a plus. Wait no. Let us find right hand side. Let us find right hand side. No. Let us find right hand side. Right hand side is 2abc. Wait, no, answer is 4. This is the value of left hand side, my dear. This is the value of left hand side. You have to find the value of right hand side, and then you have to tell me whether left hand side is same as right hand side or not. So now let us find right hand side. Right hand side is 2abc. Now put the value of abc. What do you mean by 2abc? What do you mean by 2 into a into b into c? 2 into a into b into c. So my right hand side is 2 into a. What is a? A is 1. Put the value of abc. Then b is minus 2. Then c is minus 1. So now let us multiply. Whenever you have to multiply the numbers, first multiply the sign. Then multiply the numbers. So what is that? No sign means plus sign. Plus into plus, plus into minus, minus into minus, plus. Yes, my dear. Minus into minus will be plus. So now multiply the number. 2 into 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are. So this will be 2 into 1 into 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So right hand side is 4. So left hand side value is 4, right hand side value is 4. We write left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 4, and therefore 7a plus b plus c is equal to 2abc. Hence proved. We write hence proved. Means we have shown this one. See this, my dear. Minus 2 and minus 1 I have multiplied. So first we will multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus, then 2 into 1, 2 plus 2. Clear? You have to write. And therefore 7a plus b plus c is equal to 2abc, and below that you will write hence proved. Hence proof. Hence proof. Now this is first one. Second one, you just put the value of second one. There is no left hand side, right hand side. You have to find the value. So you will not consider LHS and RHS. You will directly put the value of A as -3 and B as 2 everywhere. Huh? My dear, power means that power is 2, you have to multiply the number twice. Power is 3, you have to multiply the number thrice. That's all. A is -3, B is 2. Write it, my dear. Second one. Okay. A is -3 and B is 2. Don't cut it. Don't take 30 from me. A is -3, B is 2. Because you all are my loving children. Don't take 30 from me. Chalo, solve second one. Second one I am solving. No. A is -3, B is 2. So in this you just put the value of A as -3, B as 2. So A is -3. You will get -3 power 3 minus B is 2. 2 power 2 plus 2 into A. 2 into A. A is -3 into B. B is 2 plus 7. Now simplify that. Yes. Board is clear. You are able to see the. Yes, I am there to help. This part is over. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So now let us simplify. -3 power 3. See, this is my head. Head is -3. And cap is 3. So whatever is the power, that number of times you have to multiply the head. Head is -3. So power is 3. So you have to multiply -3 3 times. So that will be -3 into -3 into -3. 3 times. Because power is 3. Then minus 2 power 2. Now what is the power? 2. And what is the head? 2. 2 into 2. Okay. Then you have to multiply this number. 2 into -3 into 2. First you have to multiply the sign. What is sign of 2? Plus. What is sign of 3? Minus. So plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. Then multiply the number. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. First you multiply the sign. Plus into minus, minus. 2 into 3 into 2 will be 12 plus 7. 7 we write as it is. Now I have to multiply the -3, -3, -3. Wait, we'll see. First, we'll see. First you multiply the sign. Wait, my dear. First you multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So final sign is minus. Then multiply the number 3 into 3, 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 27. Then minus 2 into 2 is 4, minus 12 plus 7. Now we simplify. Whenever they have same sign, minus minus, you have to take the common sign minus and add the number. Same sign, add the number. Same sign, add the number and take their common sign. So minus minus, we take common sign minus 27 plus 4, 31. Minus 12 plus 7. Whenever they have same sign, minus minus, you have to take the common sign minus, add the number. Again minus minus sign. Again same sign, minus minus. So again you have to add the number and take the common sign minus. So that is minus 31 plus 12 is my dear, whenever there are three signs, first you simplify two signs. So minus 43 plus 7. Now they have opposite sign. This is minus and this is plus. Whenever, wait my dear, this is minus, this is plus. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So bigger number is minus and subtract it. Subtract it. 43 minus 7 is 36. So answer is, final answer is minus 36. Final answer is minus 36. Now let us, this part is over. Minus 36. Minus 43 plus 7 is minus 36. Now two problem I have solved, now two problem you have to solve. Yes. Answer is minus 36, my dear. See, the answer is there, no? So now third one. If A is 1, B is minus 2, and C is minus 1. C is minus 1. Then show that no, I am writing different. Then show that A plus 4 A plus 4B minus C is equal to, write it, no? Wait. Board is clear, right? It is clear. Board is clear. We have not touched. Okay. So give me 2 minute time. Let me change. Wait, no, wait. You
Give me 2 minutes.
mute the microphone. 1 minute, huh? How? Arey, my dear, 1 minute. No, I said 1 minute. I will be there, no. हाँ 1 minute. 1 minute. Now it is clear, right? Narpat Kumar do not present. Narpat Kumar. Now it is showing clear from my side, my dear. No, don't show me. No, don't send me. Wait, no. Wait for few minutes. हाँ 1 minute. अरे my dear, I'm just checking my internet. No, don't send me. Now right. Wait, no, my dear. Now it is clear, right? Now it is clear. Yes. Wait. Arey, my dear, it is now clear, no? Is equal to is equal to minus 3abc. Write on this. Fourth one. Write on. Voice. Voice is audible. Okay. No, my dear. Now board is clear. Write on this. If A is, अरे my dear, from our side board is showing extremely clear. Now there is, now that network problem has all. One minute. Jainil Chheda is there. Jainil Chheda is there. ठीक है. Wait. Board is clear, no? Okay. Write it. Now write it. A is wait. A is minus 3 and B is 2. Find the value of start solving. Find the value of b raised to 4 b raised to 4 minus a square plus ab. Start solving. Start. Mute the microphone. Mute the mic. Yes, ask the doubt. My dear, what is the value of left hand side? Tell me. What is the value of left hand side? No, you tell me the value of left hand side. A plus 4b minus c is how much? That you tell me. Simplify. Simplify that, no? My dear, no, first all of you mute the microphone. All of you mute the microphone and start solving third. Who said bye? Atharva. Mukesh. Okay. With division. No, with division. B division. Okay. I will. No, my dear. How it will be 7? A plus 4b minus c. You have to take care of the sign, no? No, not 9 also. A is 1, B is minus 2, C is minus 1. Then show that, no, not minus 5. Yes. No, not minus 11, not minus 11. Third one and fourth you have to do, no, my dear. See what is there. चलो ठीक है, let me discuss. Third, LHS is A plus 4B minus C. A plus 4B minus C. Now put the value of that. A is 1. Wait, no. 4B is minus 2 and C is minus 1. Third one. C is minus 1. Just put the value. So that is 1. What is plus into minus? Minus. Then 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. Then minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. So minus 1 becomes plus 1. Now simplify. What is sign of 1 plus? What is sign of 8 minus? So plus and minus opposite sign. You have to subtract. 8 minus 1 is 7. And minus 7. Minus 7 plus 1. Now again they have opposite sign. Minus and plus. You have to subtract. So minus 6. So left hand side is minus 6. Now similarly find right hand side. Left hand side is A plus 4B minus C. Put the value. A is 1, B is minus 2, C is minus 1. Then 1 plus into minus. 4 into 2, 8, minus 8. Then minus, my dear, plus into minus, no. Plus into minus is minus. 4 into 2, 8. Wait, no, I am explaining now. 1 minus 8, minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus, it is plus 1. 1 minus 8, minus 7, minus 7 plus 1, minus 6. How minus 8 will come, my dear? 1 minus 8 will be minus 7, no? What is sign of 1 plus? What is sign of 8 minus? Opposite sign you have to... It is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 1, my dear. Minus and plus, they have opposite sign. You have to subtract. Minus 7 plus 1. Minus and plus opposite sign. So subtract. 7 minus 1, 6. Take the sign of bigger number. Now let us simplify right hand side. Right hand side is 3 minus 3 ABC. Minus 3 ABC means minus 3 into A into B into C. So minus 3 into A is 2, A is 1, B is minus 2 and C is minus 1. Now multiply first sign. You have to multiply the sign first. So minus 3 into 1 into minus 2 into minus 1. Now first you have to multiply. First multiply the sign. Minus into plus, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus. So final sign is minus. Then multiply the number. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, minus 6. So right hand side is also minus 6. So left hand side is minus 6, right hand side is minus 6. So we write left hand side is equal to RHS is equal to minus 6. Third one answer is minus 6, no? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Bye. Now we stop here. Fourth is homework. We do it. Yes. Now last period will be taken by Gayatri Miss.